What's up, guys? It's your boy Riptide, and today I'm back with another video. And today, we're basically gonna be rebuilding the Detroit Pistons. So, the team has done some things, acquiring Tobias Harris. They got Malik Beasley, which I didn't even know, and we know he's a volume shooter. So it's good that they picked him up. Yeah, obviously they have Ron Holland, who is probably going to be the core of this team, but obviously, we can't forget about Cade Cunningham. So yeah, the roster's looking pretty decent, to be honest. Tobias Harris, let's take a look at it. We have a good backup point guard. We have Cade Cunningham. We have G-Leaguer. We have a lot of shooting guards, a whole lot. Jaden Ivey, who is going to be a really good player for us. Malik Beasley, who is going to be a good player for us. And Tim Hardaway, don't like the fact how we got him, but we're probably going to move Tim Hardaway Jr. out of small forward. He's a little bit small for that, but I'm not going to have him as secondary position as shooting guard because, let's be honest, he can't shoot, and also he could play a little bit of defense for us. Tobias Harris, I'm not really happy about the Detroit Pistons. I don't live in Detroit. I don't go for them, but I guess it's fine. I'm glad that we got Paul Reed in the game. He ends up being pretty good. So yeah. I do want to trade. Oh, well, I don't want to do trade finder, but I do want to trade Tobias Harris for maybe a backup center, another one, or we can get a decent small forward for us. We can get Julian Phillips, or we can get Patrick Williams. 18 million. Harris is 8. We can get someone. We can get Ayo Dosunmu. They're obviously going to say no. I'm going to give up 2 second rounders. Actually, I'll give rid of 4 seconds. No. If I put in a first, no. All right. Well, maybe we could try to get... Because Tobias Harris is an expensive player. Honestly, we could get Paul George. This wouldn't be enough, would it? Give out, because he will regress. But I will get rid of these 2 seconds, and they say no. All right, I'm just gonna simulate the season, and I'll get back with y'all. I'm done. All right, here we're at the contract extension deadline. Right now we are currently 36-22. I literally did nothing. Tomorrow, you're not coming back. Trust. That's pretty much it. Honestly, we can't make any trades. Cade Cunningham is having a good season, averaging 25 points, 5 boards, about 7.5 assists, a steal, shooting 50, 40, 90 splits. That is amazing. Jalen Duren, averaging a double-double, 13 points, 10 boards, an assist, about a steal and a block a game, shooting 63% from the field, 40% from 3, and 56% from the free throw line. Tobias Harris is actually having himself a pretty alright season. Azure Thompson, doing amazing on the defensive end, struggling a lot on the 3-point percentage, but wow, that's horrible. 3. Jaden Ivey having himself a season. So yeah, Zay Stewart, gosh, I hate you, bro. I hate this man. So yeah, I'll see y'all if we make it to playoffs playing or, yeah. All right, guys, I don't really care about the awards. I'm just here trying to win a ring here. But Giannis won MVP. Victor Wembanyama probably won Defensive Player of the Year. Yeah, anyways. We are the 5th seed. We're going against New York. And, yeah. They got Jalen Brunson, Dante DiVincenzo, OG Anunoby, Josh Hart, and Zach Collins. Let's get it. All right, game 1 is a win for us. Game 2 is a win for us. Game 1, there was the Cade Cunningham show. Tim Hardaway. Okay. Game 2, Cade Cunningham. And the team on his back. Tim Hardaway did the exact opposite of what he did. All right, Ron Holland is going to be needing to play. 2 points a game is horrendous because he's not even playing. So all right, so I gave Ron Holland some minutes. Marcus Sasser is going to be playing a little bit. Paul Reed is going to get about 28 minutes a game. Isaiah Stewart is going to be about like 18. Fontecchio, I'm going to give him about 22. Ron Holland, I'm going to give him about 17. Marcus Sasser, I'm going to give the rest to him. Here we go. Game 3 is a win for New York. Game 4 is a win for New York. Game 5 is a win for Detroit. Game 6 is a win for us. Here it is. Go against Philadelphia with Paul George. They are the number 1 seed. We're winning 3-0, and we sweep them. We're going against Boston. 2-0. Ron Holland. Holland is going to be playing those 28 minutes. I guess we'll play the backup power forward. Oh, man. We lose by 20 points. All right, well, we're probably not going to win it, are we? Game 4, we win. Game 5, we win. Game 6, we win. Oh, we almost came back. Boston, Minnesota, Boston, we win. All right, LeBron James retires. Chris Paul retires. Al Horford retires. All right, well, we're getting in the draft lottery. So, Cooper Flag would be amazing. We're gonna get him? Probably not. I'm just gonna do a dumb trade with Dallas because it's probably not gonna happen. Giving up some valuable first round picks. Giving up 3 and then giving up, okay, yeah. I didn't expect that to happen. But, we have oh my gosh. Caleb Foster is probably the biggest deal we're gonna get. So boom. Caleb Foster, welcome. Bryson Tucker, welcome. Caleb Foster and Bryson Tucker. Bryson Tucker, I'm probably not gonna continue with him. I'm gonna sign everybody back. Buddy Boheen. We're gonna let him go. honestly, like, we do need like a power forward. Me and Boyan Bogdanovic is good at. But we're gonna get Dario Saric. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna see if I can get something better, but we're gonna look at some of the power forward. That is Buzelis. Get a first round back, which is more valuable than this. Boom. Honestly, I think that was a pretty good trade. Center, not that we need any work on. Obviously, I would like a more experienced power forward, because I'm kind of keep this under 5 years. Jackson, give y'all Isaiah Stewart, Fontecchio, and first. So y'all don't want y'all's own pick back. I give y'all the rest. I'm just gonna give y'all second, or I'll give y'all the first. They say no, okay, that's fine. Setting Bay. So now we have some money. Like, we have some cap space we can use. Marcus Sasser's gonna get better. Honestly, it is a backup small forward. I don't want Tim Hardaway back. So, Sadiq Bey, welcome to the team. We're getting on a 3-year deal for about $14.9 million contract. And yeah, this is how, that's how our free agency is going to go. So, yeah. If y'all want more videos like this, because, you know, it's been about 4 weeks since I posted. Like I said, I'm not going to be posting daily, but I'm going to definitely be posting more often than I have been posting. Anyways, I guess I'll do the draft class, but I just don't want my game to crash, because we know how 2K is. It's only done that to me like one time. Alright. Cade went up to an 88. Jalen Duren, 84. Isaiah Thompson went up 2 to an 82. Jaden Ivey went up 1 to an 81. Sadiq Bey stayed the same. Isaiah Stewart stayed the same, which we're probably going to trade him for maybe some picks. So $15 million. Max Strus and 2 seconds. I say no. Not interested in the trade, that's fine. Give me a first for 2029. They say no, I'll give you Caleb Foster, give me Craig Porter Jr. And that, boom. So for Craig Porter Jr., I'm going to go ahead and send him to the G League. Porter Jr. going to the G League. And Bobby Clement, he'll be there. Ron Holland. There we go. Small forward. He only averaged 3 points a game because he didn't play, but there is. Oh, we did this. Boom. 25. Like, if I moved Ron Holland to power forward, or he's shooting guard, okay, because he might be, yeah, he's too small to be a point guard. Not a point guard, a power forward. So, yeah. Actually, we can run the 11, man. And Ron Holland will get some minutes. Yeah. I'm not expecting us to do amazing this season. But yeah. So guys, yeah, if y'all want more rebuilds like this, I've got y'all. If the comments work, cause you know how YouTube goes, just put whatever team, whatever team has the most, I see the most, I'll rebuild. I'll do the Spurs, Rockets, all those. So yeah, we're 13-7 right now. Don't really want to do any moves. Oh wow, we blew out the Nets by a lot. Everybody scored double digits. 1, 2, 7 people scored double digits. All right. Ron Holland definitely doing a lot better, playing more minutes for sure. Per game. Everybody's scoring. Buzilas, he is not doing too much, but he's definitely going to get better at that. Fontecchio, only averaging 35% from 3. He's having an off season. Maybe we can trade Fontecchio for maybe getting rid of Montes Buzilas, but I'll get rid of 2 seconds. Probably something they don't want to do. Honestly, I'm just gonna give them all of my second rounders. Nets second rounder, Pistons second round. Okay, no, that's fine. So I will give them. Do I give them the first? I'll give them the first, but I'm not giving them Montes Buzilas. And they say no. That's fine. I'll give them a first from Cleveland and 2 seconds. They say no. 3 seconds. No. 4 seconds. No, all right. We'll take Brooklyn swap and put it in for Pistons second. No. Dang. They want. Honestly, I'm not expecting this video to go to 2029, so I mean, they're still saying no, which is crazy. They really just won't want us Buzilas, do they? Don't they? Okay, that's fine. I can give them a replacement. Sadiq Bey is doing decent for us, though. 15 million they have to make up. Honestly, Julian Phillips is a guy that I do want to work towards. Julian Phillips, 1 million. Craig Porter. Interesting, huh? Well, I can add Dario Saric to the trade. Give me someone who's 11 million. Give this guy, yeah, y'all wouldn't do that. Y'all would not do that, would y'all? Honestly, like, I want to continue with him, though, because he's going to be a good piece for us. But honestly, like, That's crazy. I mean, we can get somebody else that's worth 10 million, like him, but they're probably not gonna want to give up somebody like that. And then 5 million. Give up someone who's about 1 million. We can obviously just give up. Do we have any exceptions? We can do that. From Tobias Harris, and then Julian Phillips. Yeah, no, that's not how. I guess that's not how it wants to run, which is fine. All right. Well, I'm gonna see y'all in the playoffs. All right, so Luka wins MVP. Rookie of the Year goes to Cooper Flag. Oh, I thought that was Luka. I was like, what? Rob Dillingham wins Sixth Man of the Year. Victor Wembanyama wins Defensive Player. Let me guess, Rob Dillingham won Most Improved. Stephon Castle won Most Improved Player. All right, that's my guy. Tyrese Maxey, Clutch Player of the Year, averaging 32. JB Bickerstaff, let's go. We won Coach of the Year, and John Murphy for Oklahoma City won Executive of the Year. Well, Cade Cunningham's injured. Oh wow. Day to day, okay. He tore his left MCL for the season. If we win this, bro, y'all all gotta like and subscribe, but we're probably not gonna. Oh wow, it's already 2-2. 3-2. Game 7. Gosh, bro. Close first quarter. Close second quarter. Close third quarter. And we're jumping in. We are down by 1. I mean, hopefully. I don't know, man. We might be able to do it. Here it is. Marcus Sasser comes in. Bad shot. Rebound, Contavious Caldwell-Pope. Paolo Banchero has it. He drains the time. Paolo Banchero, he shoots the 2. God, oh, it counts as a 3. His foot was on the line, but okay. Paolo Banchero might send Detroit home. Right, here we go. Jalen Duren, definitely not the guy you want. Just shoot that 3 ball. Let's pass Sadiq Bey. That's the guy. No good. We thought rebound, and that's game. Like, please a glitch happen or something, bro. Okay, yeah. Alright. We lose. Okay. KC beats them. Alright, Portland, and Hornets win 4-1. Surprising. Okay, cool. Chris Paul. Alright, we don't really care at this point. Wait, no. Oh, no, I skipped the draft lottery. Oh my gosh. Well, Detroit is alright. We're gonna definitely try to get Caden Boozer. Or, sorry, Cameron Boozer. But he is the first, so I might have to just stick with Caden Boozer, which is fine. So, the Memphis Grizzlies are on the clock. Hey, Memphis, can you take Fontecchio? Okay, yeah, no, they're expired. Dario Sarge. Struce, my first, these 2 picks, give me someone who's 24 mil, y'all can't really give me any of that, honestly, that's fine. I'll give y'all a first, they say no, give y'all another first, no, another first, giving y'all okay. They say no. Interesting. So, okay. Okay, they take Cameron Boozer, which is fine. Because Caden Boozer, Oh, Caleb Wilson. Hopefully Toronto doesn't draft him. Okay, Houston. We might be able to get somebody from Houston. Sarge. We'll get rid of Sadiq Bey. Max Strus. That's too much money. First. Which has no value. Cleveland. Boom. That's what they do. We get Caleb Wilson. To be honest, that is a good. That was not bad at all. Morris Johnson. We'll get Morris Johnson. We'll have him do the rest because it doesn't matter. Here we go. We're going to sign everybody. Craig Porter Jr. Not the backup point guard we're really looking for. Obviously, you have Marcus Sasser, who is fixing to really step up his game and blow out. We have some money here. Jaden Ivey, signing him for 4 years. Sadiq Bey, 2 years. Fontecchio. I'm just going to do 1 year, to be honest. Power forward. Tobias, no. Sarge. Okay, shots. Power forward. Dario Sarge. That's how we're going to run it. We have a lot of cap space. When I say a lot of cap space, I mean we had a lot. Please don't crash. Okay, good. Anyways, we have all that. We have Ron Holland, who's up to an 80. He's up to an 80. So is Buzelas. I signed back Jalen Duren. What are y'all talking about? What are y'all talking about right now? I got him back. Did I not? You're telling me I didn't? The Spurs. I don't mind running Dario Saric. Like, Spurs, you know y'all want those picks. Come on. Boom! We gave up a lot of draft capital, but we got it. Oh my gosh. At least we get our picks from last season. We had Buzelas. I don't know why he just boom. Okay. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna do that. Run that. Fontecchio, Isaiah Joe, Dario Saric. You know, we do need some big man minutes. So we're gonna give those to Dario Saric. And yeah, simulate when the season is done. All right, guys, this is the season. We just beat OKC. We beat Boston. We beat Orlando. We beat Toronto. We beat the Hornets. We're unstoppable. We're winning it. We're just winning green, bro. We win 61-21. All I know is that Luka won MVP. Here we go. We go against Orlando. We're up 1-0. We're up 2-0. We're up 3-0. We sweep them 4-0. We go against Cleveland. Boom, we beat them. We go against Charlotte, who are the reigning champs. We're up 2-0. We're up 3-0. We're up 4-0. We make it to the NBA Finals. Oh my gosh. Sacramento was up 3-1. And OKC almost came back. But let's go. We get Sacramento. We're up 1-0. It's 1-1. It's 2-1. It's 2-2. It's 3-2, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Detroit. Let's go, we win. Jaden Ivey with an amazing game, 11 for 14. Come on, Detroit. Dang, Sacramento almost came back. And it looks like your Detroit Pistons will be holding up a Larry O'Brien trophy. Cade passes it over. Ivy slams that thing home. DeMar DeRozan, you know. Surprised he hasn't retired yet. Demonis Sabonis. I mean, actually, like, wow, I'm surprised he hasn't retired yet. I'm just so happy that we won this ring, bro. And my game didn't crash. DeMar DeRozan, you suck. I'm just kidding. You're a good player. You're good. And let's go. We win the ring. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. It's like I always say, it's completely optional. And there it is. Your Detroit Pistons are NBA champions. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed. And I will see y'all guys in another video. Have a blessed night. Have a blessed day. Have a great summer. Peace.